Hey guys, I'm here in my home gym in my garage, and there's a problem with the horse stall mats. Pros, they're very durable, strong, sturdy, everything you want in the home gym flooring, but they move apart. The mats are super heavy, so it's hard to move them back into place. And it just takes up your time from your workout, takes up your energy from your lifts. So yeah, I looked up online to see what other people are doing, and a very simple method is applying this Gorilla Tape to it. I'm going to try that out. I'm going to clean up my mats so they look nicer, and then I'm going to place the tape.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Not too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let
Gorilla Tape.
fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Take a look. Look at this.
I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make it through today. If we never see.
Finished installing the tape, and it's pretty easy to use. It's like duct tape. You can tear it with your fingers, so you don't have to worry about scissors. I got the wide version, so it has extra coverage. Oh, and also the tape has held up very well. Moving my weights, doing whatever lift, squat, power clean, deadlift, whatever nonsense, the mats have not moved. An added point to that, I parked my car on the mats, and the mats have stayed together. That's how strong this Gorilla Tape is. I've done it multiple times now, and the tape has held up. There's a link in the description below for the Gorilla Tape that I've used. And if you have horse stall mats, I highly suggest that you get this tape and start using it. It's really helped me so far. I hope you liked that quick little video. If you like my content, you want to see more, I'm going to be posting more about improving my gym, getting stronger, more powerful in the main lifts, obstacle course racing. It's a new year, 2023. I'm gonna be posting more frequently. Let's go.